Welcome to Next Nodez. So you're using ChatGPT, right? But are you really getting the most out of it? A lot of people, well, they barely scratch the surface. This is your fast track from just using it to actually mastering it. We're cutting through the noise to give you the top ways to get powerful results, like every single time. Okay, let's jump in. Tip number 1, give it a job title. Use the act like command. This is a real game changer. Stop the generic stuff.
Exactly. Tell it, act like a chemistry teacher or act like a marketing pro, even act like Batman if you want. It forces it to adopt that specific persona.
So it narrows things down.
Right. It uses a specific lens, making the answers way more focused,
No.
more professional. You get like a mini expert on demand.
Okay, I like that. Tip 2. I know I sometimes make my prompts way too long.
Yeah, common mistake. Dumping everything in at once. ChatGPT can get sort of tangled. Too many instructions just confuse it.
So what's the fix?
Go step by step. Seriously. One instruction, get the response, maybe tweak it, then add the next step. Divide and conquer. You get smoother, logical answers that build up.
Makes sense. Tip 3 is about being specific and adding context.
Definitely. It's not a mind reader, Use natural language, sure, but be descriptive. Give background.
Like who you are or what you need it for.
Precisely. Don't just say write an essay outline. Say, I'm a college senior, 3.5 GPA, need an outline on the French Revolution's impact for history class. Context is everything for relevance.
Got it. And tip number 4 involves examples and format.
This seriously boosts quality. If you need emails, show it an example of the format you want. Just paste one in.
Oh, okay, so it learns the style.
Exactly. And tell it the format you want. Give me a bullet list. Put this in a table. Use Markdown. It saves you getting weird off-track responses.
Right, that's super practical. Okay, last one, tip 5. What if my prompt just isn't working?
Ah, the meta hack. Ask ChatGPT for help with your prompt. Literally ask it. Improve this prompt for me and explain your changes.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, it'll tweak it for clarity and tell you why. It's like a built-in coach. Creates this amazing feedback loop so you get better at prompting over time.
Awesome. Definitely try these out. See how much more you can get done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Next Nodez.